Hi everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel, and today's video is going to be about a haul. So I received a PR package from
Savannah by Urbanic.
basically
It is a
a new launch by Urbanic with more chic, more hottest styles. So they sent me this PR. So this PR package has like I selected all these items, and we have one jeans, like two, three jeans, two, three tops, two skirts and a dress. So let's get started. The first one is, I think this is really fun and really different. I don't have this in my wardrobe. This is denim with this is a pink denim basically. It is wide leg pink denim with all this fatawa, and from behind it's little bit weird because I was not expecting it to be fatawa till here, because सामने से ये यहाँ तक फटा हुआ है. Of course अगर पीछे से भी फटा हुआ तो यहाँ तक फटा हुआ होना चाहिए ना. This is nice. I can work with this actually. So next we have is silver denim jeans, and this is how it looks like. It is silver. I really wanted this in my wardrobe, and it has this silver metallic finish, and I'm really excited to style this honestly. Then we have skirt. This turned out to be really cute skirt, and this is like not a skirt, it's a skirt. So it's a shorts, but it looked like a skirt. And this is really cute. And I really like this. No, this is a skirt, another skirt. I don't really like this skirt because the finishing is not really great. I feel like the elastic could have been better. But and the length is also not something I would wear. But this is a nice skirt if you are into something like this. And then we have really cute top. So this is a tube top. It's asymmetric and it has like bows in front. You have to tie it like this. So this is also cute. And then we have this dress. So I was very dicey about this dress because it really don't look like what it was online, but it is a nice style. I am not really happy, but yeah, it's decent. I can work with this actually. Then we have a cute little white bag. So this bag is really cute. This is self-worked bag, and it's so cute. I really wanted a cute white bag. Look at this, so tiny. Then we have few accessories. This is like a chain pendant. I just got it because I found it cute, and I really wanted to try some accessories from Urbanic. So this is that. So that's it. This was my Urbanic haul, and please comment down which one was your favorite piece, and also let me know if you want me to style each and every piece. I will do it for you. Please ignore all the tags on the clothes because I'm super lazy to cut them off. Comment down below if you want to see anything else like makeup tutorial, styling, or you want to do a question and answer round. Comment down below and subscribe my channel. Thank you for watching.